Drive right. You can rotate in place, so if you twist. Drive units on this one is 5,000 pounds. The cart is only made for about 8,000, but it's scalable, right? So we've got, you just stack more pods on, design a different cart frame, you go up from there.
Okay. Can I stand on here while I'm driving it? When can I get one for my garage? They're ready? So somebody can order these right now? Wow. When I think about workforce, right? We think about people that are older, working longer. Yeah. And if I can't lift 50 pounds or bring more women into the workplace, right? If you can't like lift whatever it is and this metal and stuff, here, go take this.
So the cool story behind this product, okay? So this product really started through our involvement in FIRST Robotics.
This is why you do those. This is why you go into the schools early, because things like this come out.
We have a STEM education center in downtown Albion. This is where Tyler, who works for us.
Did you come out of there?
Devin, these guys started and have been through the education.
It's like the incubator, man.
They were part of FIRST Robotics.
Yeah.
So some of their projects, some of their first projects were building at that time called the Swerve Drive. The first set of Swerve Drives were mounted to a cart on a floor with a racing seat on it. And that's what it was. And then we've taken that through all these guys and their talent and have made an industrial product out of that.
Can we get you all on camera too? Can I show like the team that went involved in this? Thank you for being here, man. Absolutely.
He's a software engineer.
Come on closer, y'all. Get in this shot.
The guys that build it right here.
I'm Drew, man. Pleasure to meet you. I'm Drew. Pleasure. I'm Drew. Look at this right here. Look at these gentlemen right here. This is what the future of manufacturing looks like. When you give kids a chance, when you empower kids, they become adults that are empowered to do what they want, use their creativity to make new things that are going to help the rest of our industry. But we keep hearing manufacturers say, kids, we don't want jobs. Nobody wants to work. Well, they're working, they're building, they're innovating. You just have to give them a chance. And this is the outcome of it. This is our future. I'm so glad that you guys are here. Keep on doing stuff like this and then keep being visible, because there's gonna be a kid that sees this and they see y'all and they're like, damn, I can do that too. And we gotta change the minds and the perceptions. So thank y'all. Thank you. And thank you for this. We're out of here, let's go. Oh.